Car insurance rates in the state have skyrocketed and are expected to climb even higher this year.
Insurance premiums are based in part on your accident history. But what if the accident in your history was an error? 8 on your side, consumer investigator Shannon Menken is in studio to explain.
Stacey, Josh, this story will resonate with anyone who has seen their insurance rates go up and then wondered why. Stephen Foley was stunned when he shopped for cheaper car insurance, only to discover why his rates are going up drastically. An accident from August 2023 is showing up on his motor vehicle report, known as an MVR, as an at-fault accident. In reality, he says the accident was declared as not at fault by both the car insurance company he had at the time and the Florida Traffic Crash Report, filled out by law enforcement at the scene. In fact, records show the driver who hit Stephen was cited for careless driving and driving without a valid driver's license.
Then I had called the Florida Highway Patrol, state trooper did the accident. They said, no, we transferred it as not a fault, but it's on the MVR report. And the insurance companies now cannot override it. So they want to increase my insurance over $800 more each 6 months. And no one, apparently someone must have hit at fault when they transferred some paperwork, but no one says they did it. So I'm stuck.
So who do you think messed up?
I believe, I don't know, either the insurance company sent it over as a mistake or Highway Patrol.
Stephen says he ran into roadblocks getting this fixed by either his car insurance company or Highway Patrol. So he called me to get to the bottom of this. I called both, and this is being looked into to find out what went wrong. In the meantime, Bay Area drivers should take note. New data shows Florida ranks in the top 3 where car insurance costs the most. And data from online insurance agent Insurify predicts Florida rates will jump another 10% this year, while the national average is 5%. Part of what determines your risk is your accident history, as listed in your motor vehicle report, maintained by the Florida Department of Highway Safety and Motor Vehicles. That's why it's important to request a copy of your report and try to correct mistakes, just like Stephen is.
I didn't want it off my record because it's going to be on there for years, increase my premium for years.
I'm continuing to work to help clear up this issue with Stephen's former insurance company and Florida's Department of Highway Safety and Motor Vehicles. I'll stay on this until it's corrected.
Shannon, you mentioned this report. It's used to determine our car insurance rates, which everybody's wondering, how can I reduce my rate? Is it a form we should request just in case?
It is, actually, and Florida's insurance rates are among the highest in the country, and that's why you cannot afford to have this kind of mistake on your report. You can request a copy through the Florida Department of Highway Safety and Motor Vehicles. Be prepared. If you do find a mistake, you will have to have the paperwork to prove the error. You can do that through the state as well. And this story was a reminder to me that that is a report you might want to pull, because everybody's insurance is going up, and it will go up if you've had an accident, but if it's an at-fault accident, it's going up even more.
Right. We're going to talk more car insurance issues coming up tomorrow at 11 a.m.
Yes.
So join us for that. And if you have a problem